To that house?
Yeah, that's where the tornado hit.
Oh.
But they'll rebuild. It's okay.
Okay.
What do you think about all this?
Well, it's all ruined.
Do you think they'll be able to rebuild their houses?
I think the men are going to be. I think the men are going to be so tired for that.
Oh, they're going to be too tired to rebuild?
Mhm.
Oh, maybe you're right.
Mhm. Oh, what happened to that?
That's where the tornado, baby.
Ah, what happened to that tree?
That's all the tornado hit.
Uh-oh, no. We got to fix this.
We do? What can we do to fix it?
We got to get glue, welding, and some sprinkles. Now it's going to look pretty like that. Let's make a pretty house.
Out of glue, a building, and sprinkles?
Yes.
That will make the best house ever.
Yeah, it's going to be beautiful.
I agree. You
Okay.
should be an architect when you get big.
Well, guess what? I'm going to grow up now.
You are, but I'm not ready for you to grow up now.
Because I want you to be ready for me to grow up.
Okay. Well, you're almost 4.
Yeah, we are almost 4 to go to Disney World.
That's right. Yes, ma'am.